The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 10 from verse 25 to verse 42. One good man from Samaria. One law teacher turned up to test Jesus. Teacher, he asks, what me fi do fi live favor? Jesus asks him, what the law say? Where you get from it? The man say, you feel love the Lord where fear God. You feel love him with all of your heart, love him with the whole of your soul, love him with all of your strength and with the whole of your mind. And you feel love your neighbor same like how you love yourself. Jesus said to him, say, you answer right. Do that and you will live. For making yourself feel good, the man asked Jesus one next question. So, who am my neighbor? Jesus answered him, say, one man left Jerusalem and did go to Jericho. Pon the way, some thief hold him up. Them take away all we him have, beat him, nearly kill him, and left him there for dead. One priest did go down the same road, and when he buck up on the man, he cross and go walk on the next side. One man will help take care of God's house come at the same place and see the man, but him cross go walk on the next side too. But one man will come from Samaria did a travel upon the same road. When he reach which part the man there and see him feel sorry for him. So him go over to the man, throw olive oil and wine pan him cut them and band them up. Then he put the man pan him own a donkey, carry him go to one guest house and take care of him. The next morning, he give the owner for the guest house 2 silver coins and say, take care of him. And when me come back, me will give you back any money where you spend to look after him. Then Jesus asked the law teacher, say, you see the man where the thief them beat up? Which one of the 3 people them you think I did him neighbor? Him say, the one where did help him. So Jesus say, go on, go do the same thing. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.